Okay, we're going to try this again. Thought I had that fixed, but I guess I didn't. I don't know. Anyway, so yesterday, hi all, first. Yesterday was my birthday, so I had to go into Payson to get some groceries. So a couple of 3 days before yesterday, I had ordered an adapter to get the GoPro to work. The HDMI out on the GoPro, the adapter converts that to USB video. So I've at least got a camera. The contrast is all messed up on it, so I'm going to have to try to remember how to fix all that. But I wanted to get this video up, anyway, kind of quickly. So anyway, also, when I ordered the adapter, I decided to splurge a little bit. I mean, it was only 50 bucks, so I figured it was worth it. SV Bonnie, or some people are pronouncing it Bonnie, or I don't know what the hell it is. So anyway, I'll open it up and show you what it is. I've already had it out and messed with it for a little while. When I got home with it yesterday, we were back to camp yesterday, it started raining about halfway back. It rained most of the night, so I wasn't able to do anything with it, only try to set up the software and that. So it's a Astro photography camera. It's an inexpensive one. I've seen the reviews on it, and it does do a pretty good job. It's more for moonshots, though it will do planetary, deep sky stuff, but it's a little bit hard to set up, so I can't remember how to get this in the box. Now, have you ever noticed that once you take things out of the box, you can never get them back in again? It's true. So that'll be an addition to the telescope and the astronomical stuff that I've been trying to get going. Turns out I thought I had the telescope all collimated, and this morning it was fairly clear and the moon was almost full, but I couldn't really see anything. It was kind of blurry, so I'm going to have to redo the collimation. I can't ever pronounce that. Set it back up again. Turns out that you have to get it acclimated to the surrounding ambient air, and then you can adjust it and fine-tune it and all that. So I'll be doing all that today, and then hopefully, it's kind of sunny right now, but they're calling for rain tomorrow. Mostly, what they say, partly cloudy, and about 50% of cloud cover. So we'll see. The weather people, they never look out their window to see what the weather is. They just, whatever the computer says, that's what it's going to be. Wasn't supposed to rain on the way home yesterday either, but it did. And there was even some flood warnings out, flash flood warnings out, not particularly in this area, but all around here. So anyway, what else? I had a little morning fire about 3 o'clock this morning, and it was pretty cold, so I think it was 47 degrees, if I remember. Yeah, 47 degrees. Us desert rats, anything below 70 is pretty cold. So anyway, I built a little fire out there, had some coffee, but I didn't film it because it was obviously still dark. So, I'm going to start doing the fire chats in the mornings again, so I'm trying to keep as low profile as I can. Some of you know the reason why, and some of them you don't, but it's okay. Let's see what else. Gas is $4.19 here, up here in the mountains, and $3.99 in Payson. So that was a pretty good deal. Well, you know, everybody says, oh, it's coming down again. Well, yeah, it is, but it's nowhere near what it was a year ago. So, I don't know what else to say about that. You pay it or walk, you know? Pretty much all there is to it. Another little tidbit of information, some of you might be interested in that, is a way to tell if your ISP is throttling you. Start your computer and do a speed check. They're all about the same. Check your speed without a VPN, and then check it at, you know, again with the same setup with the VPN on. And with it off, I'm getting 0.62 megabytes. It's kind of slow. With the VPN on, I'm getting almost 15.0 megabytes. So I'm being throttled big time. You know, the company says no caps, no throttling. Excuse me. So I sent them a text message this morning. They're not around on Saturdays and Sundays, but they'll get it first thing Monday. We'll see what happens with that. I wanted to do a live stream last night. Forget it. It's not going to work. Especially on the weekends. I'll test it again tomorrow night and see how that goes. It works for about 10 minutes or so and then gone. It's so slow that it won't upload video enough video for YouTube to make a live stream out of it. So what can I say? I don't know how long this one is, but I can't think of anything else to say, so let me get this uploaded, and I guess I'll see you tomorrow night with the vintage look back video. At some point we're going to be doing the Monday night live streams again. Monday Night Chaos, I think I used to call it. So that'll make a couple of people happy that I know of. Okay, that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.